Hello my dear friends, Roman is here. The 1st of June is coming up soon, so I decided to make a couple of videos dedicated to Children's Day. So today we're going to make a simple but fun kids toy, a mini steamboat powered by a candle. First we need a small wooden brick, one candle and a metal pipe. You might find it on the markets or a jumble sale. I've got mine from an old fridge. First let's make a boat shape from our wooden brick. Then bend our metal pipe into a shape resembling a vintage water heater. Make 2 holes in the wooden brick at an angle. Place our pipe. Then the candle. Fill the pipe with some water. Fire up the candle, and now let's test it. Did you know? The 4th pipe of the prominent passenger liner Titanic was fake. It wasn't designed for smoke from the steam engines, but rather engineers had taken into account public opinion that safety of the boat directly depends on the pipe quantity.